Give me a clap with that, with the clapper.
The clapper.
Lights went off.
What light went off?
So,
Because of the clapper.
so,
we
the
should hook up
shelves.
all these lights with
So,
With crappers?
clappers.
everything came back.
Yeah, this is pretty exciting
Oh,
actually.
Oh
So it's
my-
been, what, a couple weeks since we had the idea, and now we've refined a bunch of them.
It's gone from blank tiles
Right.
to tiles with really cool holes in them. And
Yes, it's kind of a new addition to it,
salmon flavored shelving.
which is very cool. Enough, these will hold Citadel contrast paints, right?
Yeah.
They're
Well,
wide enough,
I mean,
they're the same
in a
width as
big-
the...
Oversized. I like it because you put minis on it. So you're painting minis, extra wide base. I love that it fits in with all the tiles. So you can like take them anywhere, snap them. You can do, oh, I haven't even done this yet. Look. We could do 2 in a row, bros. I like this because these are on center, so you do the same from both sides.
Right.
So you could do it this way, or you could do it this way. So they will seamlessly integrate with all the other tiles.
That's pretty cool. So you could actually make it part of your tile sequence if you want,
You could do-
or you
yeah.
could do it on your...
If you have a corner, we added these little corner guys. If you had a corner, it's dope. You could like 90 it in your corner and then run the train. It's
This
like,
corner's cool.
it's like Ticket to Ride.
Did he steal your thunder?
He did.
He stole your corners.
He did.
I steal everyone's thunder.
We're gonna name these the Gnome Oil corners because
corners.
it's for a single pot of paint that you're using, and Gnome Oil is infamous for spilling. So there's lots of shit on the internet with Gnome Oil spills.
Gnome?
Gnome.
I have no idea.
Nuln.
what
And
Making that up.
so that's why I wanted to make this.
that is. Gnome oil.
Right. So you can use it independently. It's not gonna mess up everything that you own when you inevitably spill the Gnome Oil.
Spill your gnome.
This is really cool. This is the coolest part of the process for us, really, because we have the idea, make the files, put this out into the shop, and then it comes back to us after some
Yes.
revisions, and we see how it all works together, and almost as importantly, how it visually fits together. And I mean, this Zerakote, I mean, I'm no offense, but I'm gonna take that one home to use at my paint station.
I am going to sell that, and you're not allowed to have it.
And you know, some people that we've talked to on our Discord have said, "What if you drop paint on it?" But our catalyzed varnish is pretty paint resistant.
Yeah.
Like, as long as you wipe it off pretty quickly,
Yeah,
it's not going to stain the wood or anything, which is really a cool little aspect of it. It's pretty cool, and I think the customization options that we're going to offer are really, really wide.
Yeah. Not to float my own boat, but it's cool having done it so often that it's like one shot.
Right.
Like here's 10 files, run them, and they're all like
Right.
awesome. Like, this is like
Only took 10 years.
really.
9
It only
years.
took 10 years to back. That's what they say. It's 10,000 hours, which
Yeah.
is 10 years. So we should be experts by now.
Yep.
Like so.
And then your mini painter, which we're redesigning. This is a
Oh, yeah.
prototype.
AJ redesigned his bad boy.
We're taking basically our dice blanks, our blocks of wood, what we've always made mini painters with, and shortening them up a little bit, fattening them up a little bit, specifically for this system so that the bases, you can be moving things around a little bit more fluidly, and then still have your awesome sculpted ones that are coming out of CNC to have a little bit more of a slender kind of aesthetic feel to it. It's slightly taller than this one, and if you can tell, more power to you. But we also haven't sanded it yet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drill that Forstner hole, that Forstner bit hole, a little bit deeper so we can make sure that it fits a cork. And then we're gonna put a magnet in the bottom, and then it's gonna go and get finished, either stained or sprayed or whatever. Cool.
But I am definitely gonna get one of these because it's perfect for what I do. We've been talking a lot about introducing something for minis, and I think it's interesting because there's a renaissance in miniatures going on right now.
A miniature renaissance?
There is. It's a miniature renaissance, which means a small renaissance. The really cool thing about the miniature renaissance in our gaming hobby is that it's finding its way into every type of gaming.
Oh, that's interesting, yeah.
And it's a really great way to kind of delve into the hobby when you're not actually doing the hobby. So yeah. I play Legion. I can paint my Legion minis while I'm not playing Legion.
And I think, and again, I don't paint, but I think there's like value in some of that downtime, like where you're actively doing your hobby, and then there's like just like downtime. You can chill out.
Right.
It doesn't need to be like.
It's pretty cool. I'm really excited about this actually.
It's innovative.
Yeah.
We're good at innovative.
People have done this before, not the entire system, not this complete, but it's plastic or it's laser cut, and
yeah, it's time to like feel good about what you do.
Yeah,
I play video games. I'm like, I'm buying a PS5.
Mm-hmm.
I don't care.
Right.
That I play video games, or I do D&D on the weekends occasionally. Man, like I'm over that.
That's the cool part about the timing in the hobby right now, right? People can unabashedly be nerds and delve into their hobby as much as they want.
Yeah, I am pumped. We like are throwing these designs at the shop, and it comes out better than we expected. I'm like, they're so good, man. I'm like, just came up with this and like brain dump into the shop, and they make it even better. What are you gonna get? What do you want?
I wasn't listening to you. I'm thinking about what I want to order.
During my life,
because I definitely want paint pots. I need these and probably a lot of them. I'm gonna do 4 or 5. I do a lot of contrast paint, so I need the fatties.
You know, slots or
no, I like the individuals.
There's the big boys, these ones.
And I do a lot of basing, so I'm gonna need a
basing, like free basing? Like
no, like putting little tiny flowers and rocks on the bases.
Oh, that sounds delightful.
It is.
Yeah, this is cool. I'm pumped. Let's go.
Yeah, it looks
more.
Oh, look at that.
Choo Choo.
Nice.